Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn API rate limiting using the Node.js Express and the lru-cache. So if I go and just copy this lru-cache, then you get to know about the package and the number of downloads. So here you can see that we have an npm package, right? So let's open this, and here you can see that the number of downloads, it has too much, right? So here you can see the number of downloads is too much. So why we are not going to implement this kind of things? Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have to go with our project first. So let me open any of my Node.js project. So here we are going to open this, and let's try to implement this. Okay, so we have to create any of the file, that is lru.js, and here we go with closing this terminal, and let's try to paste this code which we have added. So here we go with this one. Okay, this is done. Let's try to do the rate limiting. So here you can see that we have used express lru-cache, initialize the express application with the help of this, and we have options maximum number of allowed requests. So here you can see that maximum would be gonna be like entries example 1 hour. So you can just reduce this one with something like this. Okay, so here you have to initialize the lru cache, right? And after this you have where we have a middleware function. So every time whenever there is a request whenever there is a multiple request, so here we are going to handle extract the IP address from the request, and cache dot get the IP address, otherwise we're going to make it blank. Check if the number of requests exceeds the limit. If the cache request dot length and the cache dot max, this is greater than this one, then we will say that the rate limit is exceed, and add the current request timestamp to the cache, and that we are going to push that into the cache, and then set the IP address into that one and move to the next. Okay, so here we are going to define a route, that is limited route. So here you can see that this will, they have to pass it, that is rate limited middleware. And if everything is right, then it will that limited resource access successfully, else it will show me that this error, that is rate limited exit. Okay, and the port will be and the server is start on the port number 3000. If I'm going to save this and try to run this, so let's try to run node lru.js. So here you can see that it says that it's not a constructor. So let me fix that issue. I already know that one. So this is the const, I need to add it. Okay, I haven't installed the package currently, so I need to install the package first. So here we go with this one. So let's go to the terminal, and here we go. Now you can see it's running on the port number. If I open the postman and go with this URL 3000 with this route, that is protected one. So let's check how much time it will take. I think we will make it like this. I think it should be 1 minute, might be. Let me check this one. Let me restart again. So make it localhost host 3000, and where is the route? So here we go with the route, that is limited route, right? Just copy this and add it over here, and let's try to make up. It's a get request or post. Get request. Let's go and check the rate limiting. limdu.ss, let's try to hit for 4 or 5 times. Here you can see, now after the 5 hits you can see that the error comes like rate limited exceed. Okay, so this is how whenever you have a multiple request with the given IP, then you can limit that hits of that API with the help of the rate limiter with lru-cache. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.